Welcome, mortal fools, to the Count Dragula show. Today, we're looking at Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. This movie gets a lot of hate, and I honestly don't know why, but maybe I'll find a reason why. I haven't watched this movie in a long time, so let's watch. The film begins with some boring-ass text. Skip. Then we cut to some hippies destroying public property. Those motherfuckers. After that, they decide to call some radio DJ called Stretch and fuck with her because they're dickheads.
Let's get Stretch a call and see what she says.
What kind of name is Stretch?
No.
Better than the names I gave you guys, Hippie 1 and Hippie 2.
Oh, baby! We're on the road to Texas OU weekend in Dallas! You're on the road to nowhere! Put the horse, baby!
Real funny, guys. Okay, you want to hang up now?
Man, imagine having to work at one of those jobs and having to deal with dickheads like those every day. I'd probably kill myself. Then the hippies decide to play chicken with a car, which is totally not a bad idea. Yeah, especially in Texas. You're fucked. Later that night, they call Stretch again, just to be annoying, of course.
I don't want to hear it! I want to see it! Bright lights, big titties!
Same. It's all good until they almost get ran over by a car, and it's a zombie with a chainsaw trying to kill them. Oh wait, never mind, it's just Leatherface, who thankfully kills these assholes.
Mr. Assholes!
Then we cut to a new character called Lefty, investigating the murders that just happened. See, it turns out Lefty is the father, uncle of Sally and her brother from the last movie, and he wants vengeance, so he thinks these murders are Leatherface's.
Now, these are other kids. This is just an accident. Just a couple of wild punks out raising hell. Yep.
One of those boys so wild sawed his own head off going 90 miles per hour.
What the fuck? Sadly, the cops are idiots and don't believe him, so it looks like Lefty is gonna be all by himself on this case. Man, if only he had someone to help him. Then we cut to Stretch at Lefty's place, saying that she has evidence of the murders, but he doesn't really give a shit. Then we cut to some stupid chili contest, where it turns out the winner is the cook from the first movie.
No secret, it's the meat. Don't skimp on the meat. I got a real good eye for prime meat. Runs in the family. Whoop, whoop. It's one of those hard-shelled peppercorns.
Well, I guess now he just kills people and makes chili out of it. Then we cut to Lefty buying chainsaws for some reason.
Oh, my kid banana.
Jeez, what a psychopath. After that, Lefty talks to Stretch and tells her that she should play that audio recording of those two kids getting murdered on the radio. I mean, she could lose her job because of that, but you know, why the fuck not? You know, you could just give it to the police, but...
Appearances. You got that last slaughter on tape, you play it on the radio. Maybe then the laws will stop trying to shut me up and start helping me. Besides, give you something real to do.
She decides to play the tape, and while the cook is driving, he hears this, and he gets a little pissed off.
That's fair, you've done it again. Ah, you cool shit. Ah, you buttcracker, you'll be the death of me yet.
Stretch is about to close up for the night, but this fucking hillbilly motherfucker called Chop Top won't leave her the fuck alone.
Good night.
Oh, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. And maybe the new music's
Leatherface shows up and tries to kill Stretch, and then...
Good.
Am I even allowed to show that on YouTube? Leatherface flips out and destroys everything as Chop Top and them leave while taking the other guy. Stretch sees this and tries to follow them for some reason. She makes it to their secret hideout, and Lefty shows up, but she falls. After that, Lefty decides to get ready for battle. Who the fuck carries that many chainsaws on them? Not even Leatherface does that. Whoa, I didn't know the Sawyer family ate at Arby's. Stretch falls into this weird abandoned place, and Leatherface finds her and,
Is it wet? It's wet. Put it down.
oh, Leatherface was the first person to invent transgender people, which would explain that. Leatherface keeps Stretch tied up for safekeeping, but thankfully her coworker saves her before he dies. Well, at least she was kind enough to give him back his face, even though he's dead. Stretch tries escaping, but she only gets captured again.
Bubba's been playing with her. Bubba likes her. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend.
Well, hey, having a girlfriend isn't so bad. It's way better than being some teenager on the internet who makes fun of movies.
Supposed to finish her. Finish her now.
Oh, don't worry. I think Leatherface was planning on finishing her, if you know what I mean. Meanwhile, Lefty keeps destroying stuff like a crazy person, but runs into one of his family members' dead bodies.
Franklin.
How the fuck does that flashlight still work? And why the fuck would they even have his body there? They tie Stretch up to the table and decide to have Grandpa kill her.
Jimmy, remember those bees? Come on, one hitter, Bob. Come on, Grandpa. Come on, you're the best.
And just like in the original, he still sucks ass. Thankfully, Lefty is here to save the day.
I'm the Lord of the Harvest.
Who's that? Some new health food bunch? Come on.
Lefty unties Stretch, and then he fights Leatherface. That's basically what happens to my stomach every time I eat McDonald's. They continue fighting, but the cook decides to just end all this by blowing everybody up with a grenade. So yeah, now they're all dead. Well, thankfully Stretch survived the explosion, but Chop Top did as well, and she's about to get fucking murdered, but thankfully she finds a chainsaw and kills him, and, what the fuck was that? And that was Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. And actually, it was really amazing. Like, seriously, I love everything about this movie. I love the effects, I love the new family members, I love the characters, I love everything about this movie. But I could see why somebody wouldn't like it. I mean, it's pretty different from the original and is kinda weird, but that's why I love it. It's not just the original again, it's actually different. I give Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 an A. Well, that's all for now, folks. See you next time, and I hope you burn in hell. I hope you have a good day.